In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily adjust your headlights on Korean vehicles. The good news is that this method also works on many other cars, so even if you don't own a Korean vehicle, you'll probably find this guide helpful. Let's take a look at the problem we have today. As you can see, the right headlight is aimed slightly lower than the left one. Because of that, the road isn't illuminated evenly. So, we'll raise the right headlight a little and bring both headlights to the same level. The process is simple, and I'll show you everything step by step. First, park your car on a level surface facing a wall. Then, move the vehicle back about 5 meters, or roughly 16 feet. This distance makes it much easier to see how the headlight beam changes while you're making adjustments. Once your car is in position, we can begin. Now open the hood. Here you'll find the headlight adjustment mechanisms. You can use either a ratchet with the correct socket or a regular screwdriver. I'll demonstrate both methods so you can use whichever tool you have available. Let's start with the ratchet. Insert the tool into the adjustment screw and slowly begin turning it. On the Hyundai Lafesta, the lower adjustment screw controls the vertical position of the headlight beam, allowing you to raise or lower the light. As you turn the screw, you'll immediately notice the beam moving up or down. If you want to raise the headlight beam, simply turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise. Turning it in the opposite direction will lower the beam. While making adjustments, keep checking the light pattern on the wall so you can stop when both headlights are aligned correctly. This will give you better visibility at night while helping to avoid blinding oncoming drivers. The headlight on the other side is adjusted exactly the same way. You can raise or lower it until both headlights are set to the same height. Taking a few extra moments to fine-tune the alignment will improve your nighttime visibility and make driving much safer. Now let me show you the second method using a regular screwdriver. Hyundai designed these adjustment points with a slot that allows you to use a screwdriver if you don't have a ratchet or any other special tool. Simply insert the screwdriver into the adjustment slot and turn it the same way. Both adjustment mechanisms are designed this way, making the job quick and convenient even with basic tools. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you learn how to adjust your headlights quickly and correctly. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with someone who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.